War, a force that shatters lives, leaving behind a trail of destruction and despair. As the bombs fall and the guns roar, the land, once fertile, lies barren. The simple joys of life are replaced by the constant fear of the unknown. Parents wait, their eyes searching for a glimpse of their children returning from the battlefield. Children, innocent and scared, yearn for the warmth of their parents. Every shadow, every sound, a reminder of the chaos that has consumed their world. In the heart of every conflict, where shadows loom and hope seems distant, there exists a guiding light, a beacon of compassion and wisdom, offering solace to those in need. In the depths of despair, where voices falter and dreams dim, there emerges a figure of inspiration, a source of strength and support, igniting the flame of hope in the darkest of times. Given a highly conflict-ridden world, Gurudev Sri Ravi Shankar is ever ready to help those in need. But going beyond talks, Gurudev once walked a landmine-studded field, thus inspiring people to take action for peace. Gurudev said, "Just follow my footsteps," reassuring his followers that they are on the right path. He demonstrated sincerity of intention as he walked and led those men through a 700 meters stretch of no man's land. As individuals, we encounter our own set of uncertainty. But just as Gurudev walked that path and showed the world that despite numerous dangers, a person's faith, commitment and courage can help overcome any challenge. As Gurudev had led those men, today he leads an army of volunteers dedicated to helping those in need. The Art of Living, spearheaded by Gurudev's principles, is a beacon of hope for millions. Renowned Indian artist Jagannath Panda, inspired by Gurudev's courage and unwavering determination to bring lasting peace to the world, conceived the Trust Walk. The Trust Walk is a living testament to Gurudev's indomitable spirit and vision of one world family, Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. Now, more than ever, we find ourselves in conflicts, not only amongst ourselves, but with our own selves. Gurudev's historic stride, captured in the Trust Walk, symbolizes humanity's strength. The owners of this collection will not only possess a work of art, but will also become an ambassador of virtues set by Gurudev. The net proceeds will go towards supporting a range of social causes advocated by the Art of Living. With each brush stroke of selflessness, we paint a brighter future for all of humanity. Bring home Gurudev and accentuate your space with his values.